Michael Walker. My company is Consumers Pronto. We basically are a media buying team. We generate calls in tons of different verticals, mostly focusing on insurance, financial, mortgages, mass tort, stuff like that. So if you were in those spaces, let's definitely connect. I love the platform. As a media buyer, I came from, I would say, the lead generation side, and Ringba's really made it seamless to get into calls and track everything and just really look at the analytics and see what's working, what's not working, versus I think the biggest fear people have in paper calls is the tracking, and you don't know kind of what's working or not very easily. But Ringba simplifies that. And then all the features they have to kind of protect you, like the TCPA shield, all the extras they give you, like their IVR routing, the extra data you get on each call. So I love the platform.